It's widely being reported in news outlets that this 5K stimulus, aka the Doge tax refund, is only going to go out to net taxpayers, but there's still a lot of information unclear about that. There's a possibility that people who receive the earned income credit and other type of credits generally are not net taxpayers, so they may not receive this stimulus. To be a net taxpayer after your standard deduction, after your child tax credit, after the earned income tax credit, after all other credits, you still have to owe some money on your taxes. Or maybe you don't owe, but they took out money on your W-2 through withholding, so that's also sufficient. So just because you get a refund doesn't necessarily mean that you're not a net taxpayer, because even after the refund, you may have already paid more money into the system, so that makes you a net taxpayer. So let's definitely not jump to conclusions based on comments like this, but we have to still know the final details of what qualifies as a net taxpayer based on the time period that this person was a net taxpayer. Because it could happen that one year you were a net taxpayer, the following year you lost your job or something and you were not. So what year are they looking at for this? But I'll keep you guys posted as soon as there's some traction on this in Congress, so make sure you hit the follow button.